Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. Today is the Shining Gundam full helmet build series part 1. I've already released a couple shorts with some of the work that I've already done. So I've already got the main helmet there. We're just going to start hitting it with some filler primer, and then after that I'll just go through with some Bondo to fill up some of the rough spots, or there's a couple divots in there that I need to take care of. And a lot of these pieces turned out really nice and they don't need a lot of post work. Just a little bit of smoothing and then that's it. So let's get the priming. Alright, so today we're going to sand down some of the stuff that I've already did the Bondo spot putty on. I did it earlier today, so hopefully this should be nice and dry, so I'm going to sand it down to see how smooth I can get it. I'm not going to kill myself trying to make it perfectly smooth because you won't be able to see it if you're a couple feet away. You won't be able to see every single layer line. So here's the helmet already. As you can see, it's covered in Bondo spot putty. Tried to cover up that seam. If it's not covered, it's not the end of the world. I'll just sand it, and then hopefully that'll get covered with the layers of paint and the clear coat that I'm going to put on top of this. So let's get sand. Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Shining Gundam Helmet Build Series Part 2. I just released the first video, so that one's up to ready to go. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand all the pieces down again, and then I'm going to coat them with a coat of this gold. That's how I did it before. I built up my color, and then I'll get onto the final colors, which is white, red, yellow, and I think maybe some blue, but I'm not 100% sure. So let's get sand. Okay, so the entire helmet has been sanded. It was just a quick sanding, nothing too serious, because I'm not really too concerned about the layer lines, because if they're going to show, they're going to show, but you won't see them if you're 2-3 feet away. So next is what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a coat of this gold here. The reason I do that is because I did it before and it turned out really nice. I used the gray primer, and then I used the red paint, and then I use this gold, and then I go with the official white color, so that'll help give it that kind of off-white look, and hopefully that'll help all the other colors pop. So let's get painting. Okay, so the layer of gold has been put on, as you can see. So now all I gotta do is just let that dry, and then after that, just to take another quick look at it, see if there's anything else that I could try to improve. If there's like a big gash, I'll try to see if I can repair that. If not, I'm just gonna get right onto the final colors. So here's hoping that everything works out, and thank you for watching. Hey everyone, today we're going to start doing some of the final colors for the Shining Gundam. We're going to do the red, yellow, and the white. The yellow is going to be for the V fins and the side fins. The red is going to be on the chin part, and the rest is going to be white. And then eventually I have to go back through later with black to fill in some spots that need to be colored black. So let's get painting. Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do some detail lines on the Shining Gundam helmet. We're just going to add some simple panel lines in the little grooves throughout the different spots. Don't worry, I still got to weld this on here, but I'm going to just do the black detail lines in there to give it more definition. So let's get to working on a detail. Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Shining Gundam Helmet Build Series Part 3. We're getting to the end. The helmet has been fully painted. All the detail lines have been added. So all I'm going to do now is add a clear coat on there. It is this 2K clear coating spray that will be linked in the description below. So we're going to go ahead and start spraying this with clear coat. And also, when you're doing this clear coat, make sure you're outside and well ventilated area, and also make sure you're wearing a respirator, because this is very dangerous stuff that's going on here.